In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your HP Invoice 6430E printer with the Windows 10 laptop or a computer. Now first thing is to enter this printer into the setup mode. So press and hold the wireless button that is at the back of the printer for 3 seconds. So that button is just below the power button. So release it after 3 seconds and you will see the purple light at the front of the printer. That means your printer is ready for setup. Now go to your laptop and open the HP Smart app. In the HP Smart app, click on the plus button on the top. It will search for your printer setup. Select your HP Invoice 6400 series printer. Click on the continue. It can access your Wi-Fi password automatically. Press the flashing information button on the printer screen. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. Click continue. You should be able to see your printer series there, and it will display all the information regarding your printer, and we can start wireless printing and scanning from here. So thanks for watching.